Grass Valley is such a peaceful and charming place to raise a family with plentiful parks, miles of trails, amazing schools, and so many gorgeous bodies of water. And if the little fish in your family love swimming, you are going to flip over today's property. And the amazing part, it's less than 10 minutes from downtown. On nearly 1.5 acres over 2 separate homes, this beautiful property really is a dream come true. Welcome to 16260 Tadpole Creek Road. The single-level main home is just over 1,900 square feet with new floors and paint and a fantastic layout with separate family and living room, the master on its own end of the house, and a great room concept so you can prepare dinner and stay connected with everyone at the same time. One thing I love about this kitchen, the abundance of counters and cabinets. So much functional space. And the high ceilings in the master make it feel so much more spacious. And when you're ready to relax, you can enjoy your generous soaking tub. And the most amazing feature of this property, this is more than a pool. This is a stunning landscape feature, complete with a waterfall and slide. And as if that weren't enough, you've got a new roof, new exterior paint, a fenced-in vegetable garden, strong well with additional storage tanks, and enough solar to power the entire property. And for your kids after college, or potentially some extra income, you've got this wonderful studio over the garage with this amazing kitchen. Contact me today and let's make this dream your reality. Grass Valley. Contact me today and let's make this dream your reality.